Hi students, welcome back. Today we will learn about Second World War. Let's start Second World War. Following the peace treaty at Paris in 1919, the victorious nations shared the colonies of the defeated nations. Neither Germany nor Italy had any colony or market. Therefore, for enhancing their political and economic stability, Italy and Germany planned to conquer colonies and attack weak nations. In an effort to extend this policy of aggression, Italy and Germany, along with Japan, formed an alliance called the Axis Powers. Countering this alliance, Britain, France, and China formed the Allied Powers. The League of Nations failed to start the attacks of the Axis powers when Germany, Italy, and Japan attacked other nations. Capitalist countries like Britain and France did not prevent the attacks. They considered Soviet Union being a socialist country as their chief enemy. This policy, which encouraged fascist attacks, is known as the policy of appeasement. On 1st September 1939, Germany attacked Poland. This prompted the Allied nations to declare war against Germany. That ultimately resulted in the outbreak of the Second World War. Next, effects of the war. The entry of Soviet Union and America changed the complexion of the Second World War. Italy and Germany could not withstand the attack and surrendered immediately. Mussolini was killed by the local partisans and Hitler committed suicide. The Soviet army moved towards Japan through Trans-Siberia. But before it could reach Japan, the United States of America dropped 2 atom bombs in Japan. Little Boy in Hiroshima on 6th August 1945 and Fat Man in Nagasaki on 9th August. Soon, Japan surrendered. Next, results of the Second World War. Over 10 million people died. Economic system of European countries was destroyed. European dominance in world diminished. Freedom movements in Asia and Africa intensified. America and Soviet Union emerged as global powers. In a bid to preserve and maintain world peace, the United Nations organizations was formed. Next, on the wings of peace. October 24th is observed as United Nations Day. Although the League of Nations was established following the First World War, it failed to maintain world peace. After the Second World War, efforts were taken to set up an organization for preserving global peace. This resulted in the establishment of United Nations Organization. On 24th October 1945, the headquarters of the UN is in New York, the United States of America. Some of its objectives are to save the succeeding generation from the scourge of war, to protect international treaties and laws, and to foster social and economic development of countries. Let's conclude our topic. In an effort to extend this policy of aggression, Italy and Germany, along with Japan, formed an alliance called Axis Powers. Countering this alliance, Britain, France, and China formed the Allied Powers. The League of Nations failed to stall the attacks of the Axis powers. They considered Soviet Union as their chief enemy. This policy, which encouraged fascist attack, is known as the policy of appeasement. Effects of the war. Mussolini was killed by local people. Hitler committed suicide. America dropped 2 atom bombs in Japan, Little Boy and Fat Man. Next, results of the Second World War. Over 10 million people died. Economic system of European countries was destroyed. European dominance in world diminished. To maintain world peace, UNO was formed. Hope you all understood what we learned today. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the portions. Thank you.